Want to grow your own vegetables but don't know where to start, or think it's too expensive? Good news! You can create a beautiful and productive backyard garden without spending a lot of money. Let's walk through the basics step by step. Choosing your garden spot. 30 seconds. First, choose the best location. Look for a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Check your soil. Is it dry, sandy, or clay-like? Don't worry, you can improve it later with compost. Even if you have limited space, containers or raised beds can make gardening possible just about anywhere. Set up on a budget. You don't need fancy tools or expensive materials. Repurpose old wooden pallets, buckets, or even tires to build raised garden beds. Start plants from seeds. It's cheaper and gives you more options. And for soil? Collect free compost from local farms, or make your own with kitchen scraps and garden waste. Pick the right plants. Choose vegetables that grow well in your climate. Tomatoes, lettuce, carrots, and beans are great for beginners. Go for high-yield crops that give more food with less effort. Try companion planting, like growing basil near tomatoes, for natural pest control and better growth. Easy gardening tips. Set up a simple watering system like a DIY drip line to save water. Use natural pest repellents like garlic spray or crushed eggshells. Rotate your crops each season to keep your soil healthy and avoid pest buildup. Before you know it, you'll be harvesting your own fresh produce. Use your vegetables in healthy meals, or share your extra harvest with friends and family. Gardening doesn't have to be complicated or costly. All it takes is a little effort and creativity. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening ideas. Happy planting!